Hey friends, welcome to Keletus TV. I hope that you're all doing well. If you're new here, you are welcome. Welcome. Alright, so we are going to make papaya smoothie. I made some almond milk from the previous video. If you've not watched it, please go back and watch it. So we're going to use that milk to make papaya smoothie. Alright friends, we're going to go over the ingredients we have here and get started. We have here papaya, my protein powder, unsweetened Greek yogurt, fat-free peanut powder, collagen powder, and homemade almond milk. Alright friends, so our blender is ready. I went ahead and cut the papaya off camera, so we're going to put that in the blender. Collagen powder, fat-free peanut butter powder, Greek yogurt, the last thing is protein powder. At this point, we're going to add almond milk. And blend. Okay. Friends, look at how creamy this smoothie looks. It smells good too. Here you have it, creamy, tasty, healthy papaya smoothie. Please try this, you'll love it. It's not sweet. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.